Unlock the secrets to crafting those captivating, evolving soundscapes that define modern progressive house. We'll start by dissecting the core sonic foundations for that signature progressive feel. We're focusing on lush, evolving synth pads. Begin with a rich, detuned supersaw oscillator for your main pad. Experiment with a slow LFO on the filter cutoff and resonance to create that characteristic movement. Next, let's sculpt a powerful yet smooth bassline. A sine wave with a touch of saturation provides warmth and presence without being overpowering for that driving progressive rhythm. A steady 4/4 kick drum is essential, layered with a subtle subbass for extra weight. Arrangement is key to keeping listeners engaged. Think about creating tension and release. Build your track by introducing elements gradually. Start with a simple kick and bass, then bring in percussion loops and atmospheric textures. Introduce melodic elements strategically. A plucked synth or a vocal chop can serve as a hook, but use them sparingly to maintain the progressive flow. Consider using delay and reverb on these elements to create depth and space. The breakdown is where you can really build emotional impact. Strip back the heavy elements, leaving just the atmospheric pads and a subtle melody or vocal. Gradually reintroduce the kick and bass to build anticipation for the drop. For the drop, ensure your kick drum hits hard and your bassline is prominent. Cytokine compression is your best friend here. Why Link your bass and melodic elements to the kick drum for that pumping, danceable feel. Finally, let's talk mixing. Use EQ to carve out space for each element. High-pass filters on everything except the kick and bass. Remove muddiness. Add saturation to individual tracks for character and glue them together with bus compression. Mastering is the final polish. Aim for a balanced frequency spectrum and a healthy loudness level, but avoid overcompression that crushes the dynamics. The goal is a track that sounds great on any system, ready to ignite the dance floor. Mastering is the final polish. Aim for a balanced frequency spectrum and a healthy loudness level, but avoid overcompression that crushes the dynamics. The goal is a track that sounds great on any system, ready to ignite the dance floor.